Online, are you able to see my screen?
No,
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 ma'am.
no,
No.
ma'am.
Okay, just a minute. Now,
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
so can we start this session?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes, we can start.
Okay, Fareen. Okay, so very good evening to everyone. Welcome to Cloud Infotech Solution,
Good.
AWS and Python
Good morning.
training,
Good
the
evening.
most demanded combination session delivered by Juveria ma'am, that is a Python ma'am, and Aisha ma'am, that is me. So, what's today's agenda? I will be introducing myself, then I will be taking some introduction from you, then I will be explaining some frequently asked questions regarding our core subject, that is AWS. So, a very warm welcome to day one of the free AWS and Python training program brought to you by Cloud Infotech team, that is Mr. Muhammad Akbar sir, Juveria ma'am, and Aisha Almas. We are very excited to have you kickstart your journey into this world of AWS and Python with us. You're going to gain a valuable insights, practical skills, and hands-on experience. So, are you all ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Thanks. So, let me introduce myself. This is Aisha Almas. I have done my BTech in computer science. I'm AWS certified. I have done lots of projects on AWS, and currently I'm working on DevOps projects. So, if I talk about my experience, I have 4 months of experience. I started my career as a lab trainer. In lab training, I have supported 20 to 25 students in labs. Then I have switched to a lead trainer and trained 40 women in batch one. I was being trained by
MashaAllah.
Miss. Thank you, Jazakallah. I was being trained by Mr. Akbar Muhammad sir, who has 15 years plus experience. He gave his 15 years of knowledge to me. That means I believe if I adapted this knowledge well, then I would have the same experience as him. Do you all agree?
Yes, of course.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
think experience matters?
Of course.
It's just like
Basic.
how I deliver my classes. That's what make me experienced. If I deliver well, then I would have the same experience like him. So here, experience I'm talking about is of knowledge, but not years. So do you all agree with this?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Quantity is not
Yes.
important, teacher. Alhamdulillah.
Yes, yes. So this is all about me. Hope you all know me very well now.
Yes.
So I would like to take your small introduction, like 30 seconds each. Keep it very short, just your name, your profession, and have you done any IT program earlier or not? That's it. So, can we start this small introduction session?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So, let's start with Fareen Fatima.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Kareem and I have recently completed my graduation and now
Wow.
I am working in Amazon. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
that's it. Yeah, I was supposed to be a Java developer, but since due to lockdown, I dropped it.
Okay. Wow, that's great, Fareem.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. And next, Farha Yasmin.
Hi everyone. I am a recent graduate from computer science. I'm working as a market researcher. I have done a web development course also. So yeah.
Wow, Farha. Okay. So, are you working currently?
Yes, I'm working as a market researcher.
Okay, that's great, Farha. Farisa. Am
Yes.
I
Yeah, I'm
pronouncing it
Farisa.
correctly?
Yeah, it's right. Farisa.
Farisa.
Uh, yeah, I did my graduation very long back. I'm a homemaker basically, so I don't have any. I mean, I don't have any knowledge in IT. I mean, anything related to IT. This is the first time I came to know about this course, so I thought
Okay.
let's try and learn new things
Okay. No worries,
because
Farisa.
this.
We are here to support you.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So, are you interested in doing job?
Yeah, basically I'm interested in doing jobs on any online jobs.
Okay. Online jobs.
Mm, yeah,
Fine. Thank you, Farisa.
thank
Faria.
you.
Hello, Faria.
Yes,
How are
ma'am.
you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam.
I
Okay.
completed my graduation in 2021, and like I don't know about
Okay. You don't come from an IT background.
Python, Java, and
Okay. No worries. We are starting from very basic. Like the course motive is itself zero to hero, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how did you know about this program, AWS and Python?
Actually, my brother told me that
Okay.
like go there. The institute was there for women's. She
Okay.
he told me that.
Okay. No worries, Faria. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next is Hema. Hema Varsha.
Hey, hi, how are you guys?
I'm
To
good,
tell
Hema.
about
How about
myself,
you?
yeah, thank you. So, to tell about myself, I am actually working as a team lead in 24/7 in touch. However, I do not have any technical background. I'm working in customer service, I can say. But however, I'm looking to migrate to technical support. So, this will be my stepping technical. I do not have any idea.
That's great, Hema. Thank you, Hema. Now, next, Humaira Yasmin.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam.
My name is Umera. I completed my graduations and I'm very excited to learn new things like AWS and Python.
Wow.
That's why I've joined this.
Okay. And when did you completed your graduation? In which year?
I think 2021 and 2022.
Okay, so you have done a BCom.
Yes, BCom General.
Okay, BCom General. Okay, fine. Thank you, Humaira.
Okay.
Nargis. Nargis, you have
Yeah,
joined this in morning, right?
yeah. Due to power cut, I have been disconnected.
Yes. Yes. Okay, so can you give your introduction?
Myself is Nargis Nishat. Recently, I have completed my MBA Finance in 2018. After that, I have joined Amazon, and yeah, last month November, I have been left out due to
Okay.
contract has been ended. Now
Okay.
I was just play at home, so I just
tried to know when Naila referred me that you can do this course that will be helpful for you. So I have been joined now.
Yes, you can upgrade
Yeah,
your skills with this course.
yeah. Because
And
due to here we have lost so many things to be achieved.
yes, yes, that's true.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, Nargis. Sabah Tabassum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam, Sabah. How are you?
Alhamdulillah. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, Alhamdulillah.
Yes. I
Can you
am
start
Sabat
with your...
Tabassum.
Okay,
Yes, I am Sabat Tabassum. I did BTech in Computer Science, 2020 passed out.
okay,
Soon after I got married. Meanwhile, I'm learning the courses like C, C++ I've learned,
okay.
uh, and
So, are you
Python
interested in
also.
programming?
Yeah. Of course, my background is programming. I'm an software engineer
Okay. And how did you get to know about this program?
through my friend.
Okay, okay. Thank you,
Thank
Sabah.
you. Thank you.
Sara Ali. Sara Ali, am I audible to you? There is some problem with your mic. Okay, no worries, Sara Ali. Take care. Suji. Suji.
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Suji. How are you,
Good,
Suji?
fine, ma'am, fine. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
I'm Suji. I completed my post graduation in 2015.
Wow.
Previously, I am working in bank sector. Currently, I am not working.
Okay.
That's it.
Suji, I have met you in institute, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Suji.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Syed Yusuf.
Hello, assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum Assalam.
Um, My name is Sayyada Moin Sultana,
Sayyida
and
Moin Sultana. Okay.
yes, I did graduation in
Mhm.
20, 2015.
In 2015.
Yeah,
Okay.
uh, I have no idea in the IT field, and
Okay.
my first time I joined this
Okay. No
course.
worries. No
Yeah,
worries. Mm.
so that's it, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you,
Thank
Syed
you.
Yusuf.
Yeah.
And Saida Shagufta.
Yes. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam.
Yes. How are you?
I'm good. Alhamdulillah. Shagufta, how are
Okay.
you?
Yes, fine. Alhamdulillah. Yes, my name is Shagufta. I had completed my MBA in 2008, and in
Okay.
2017 I did MCOM. I'm a double master degree holder.
Oh, wow.
Right now I'm working as an accounts lecturer for intermediate college.
Okay. That's
Okay.
great.
Just I'm curious about knowing learning, so
Oh,
I joined this.
that's great, Shagufta. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
So, everyone here, look, almost everyone, they don't come from IT background, right? So, no
Yes.
worries. We will be starting right from the beginning, right from the basics, AWS as well as Python. So, the motive of the course is zero to hero. You will learn many things here in AWS as well as in Python. So I always say, like, if you educate a man, only man gets educated. But if you educate a woman, she educates the whole family, the whole generation, right?
Yes,
Yes,
that's true.
Right, ma'am.
Yeah, that's so true.
Yes. Okay. So let's start. Okay, so I will be explaining some frequently asked questions regarding our subject, that is AWS. So after completion of this AWS, what are you going to become? your designation will be cloud engineer. That means after completion of AWS, you are going to become a cloud engineer. So now, who is a cloud engineer? The one who supports the customers to build, to maintain their cloud infrastructure. That means cloud engineer, that means you are going to create servers, you are going to create networks, and you are going to create storages. So we will be in an operation team. Developer team is different, operation team is different. Developer teams where you have to do coding and programming and all. Operation team, you just need to create the servers, networks, storages, basically the data centers. You need to build, maintain the cloud infrastructure. So what's the role of cloud engineer here? To build and maintain the cloud infrastructure. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
What is cloud infrastructure? That means you are going to create servers, networks, storages. You are going to do website hosting. So this is the role of cloud engineer, and you will be in an operation team. Is it clear who is a cloud engineer, everyone?
Yes.
To build.
Yes, yes.
Can I proceed?
Yes.
Okay. So now is programming or coding required to do AWS job? No, because it's purely a non-coding profession. You will be working as an operation team. So, why are we learning Python with AWS? Anyone? AWS, if I talk just about AWS, it's a non-coding subject. But with AWS, we are also learning Python, right? So why are we learning Python with AWS? Anyone?
Because we need the programming language, no, to operate it.
Yes. Okay. So we are learning Python because Python is known for its versatility. Like it's very easy compared to other programming languages, like compared to Java or .NET or Ruby. Python is very easy. So if you keep this Python and AWS in your resume, it will be a very good remark. Is it clear, everyone? If I just talk
Yes.
about
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
AWS, it's a non-coding profession. That is non-coding subjects. You don't need to do coding in this AWS. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
And
Small.
it's a very interesting subject. Believe me, it's very easy to learn. You will love this subject. At the end of this course, you will love this subject. So now, can I proceed?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Is there a good salary and growth in AWS cloud computing domain? Yes, it's a hot profession in global market. That means it's not just in India. It's trending, it's leading worldwide in every country. UK, USA, Gulf countries, Singapore. In every country, it's leading cloud computing. That means AWS is leading worldwide. So every IT
Ma'am,
industry is now dependent on cloud computing. And your salary, the starting as a fresher salary will be 3.5 lakhs. Then it will increase according to your experience. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Any
Ma'am,
doubts?
ma'am, what is cloud computing?
Yes.
ma'am,
Cloud
what is
computing is
domain?
our, yes, in AWS. AWS is a cloud provider. That means Amazon service. AWS is a service of Amazon. where we are going to learn cloud computing. Is it clear? In further classes, we will go in detail to cloud computing. The subject is cloud computing, but we are going to learn in AWS service. Is it clear, everyone? There are many companies like AWS is a service of Amazon, Azure is a service of Microsoft, and GCP is a service of Google. But we are learning AWS because it's leading worldwide. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
In further classes, we will go in detail of AWS cloud computing. This is just an opening session on AWS. Is it clear, everyone? Can any graduate apply for this job? Yes, today's recruitment process is not on degree based, it's skill based. So doesn't matter if you have done BTech or BSc or BCom or masters, anyone can do this AWS course. So I always say don't run after job, upgrade your skills, let job runs after you. Right?
Yes, right.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So first upgrade your skills, then apply for job. So any graduate can apply for this AWS. It's purely based on skills. Okay. So why only AWS Cloud, not MS Azure? So leading currently three providers, cloud providers are leading. AWS, which is a service of Amazon, and Azure, this is a Azure, which is a service of Microsoft, and GCP, which is the service of Google. These three are leading currently, but the top is AWS. Why? Because AWS has started in 2006 or 2007, and Azure and GCP has started in the year 2009. Because of this 2 years and 3 years of gap, AWS is leading worldwide. So if you learn AWS first, you can easily learn Azure and GCP as well. Just 70% will be same. Just the difference will be of 30%. You need to learn extra. That's it. Is it clear, everyone? Why are we learning AWS but not Azure and GCP?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
So it's a best AWS is the best cloud provider worldwide. So what skills should I develop or upgrade to get a job? Communication skills, technical demonstration skills, and an international certification. So communications, let's talk about communication skills. See, knowing English is different and communication skills is different, right? If you know English but you are not good at communication, then what's the use? But if you don't know English, like your English is average, but you are very good at communication, then that is known as communication skills. Is it clear, everyone? So you need to be good at communication, speaking. Okay.
Yes.
Please mute your mic, everyone. So to get a job, you need communication skills. Second thing you need is technical skills and technical demonstration skills. So I will be helping you in this technical skills. Technical demonstration skills is, for example, if you launch a server, so you need to say the steps, you need to speak out the steps. Yeah, first I need to write the name, I need to specify this, I need to specify the instance type. This is known as technical demonstration skills. And the third is international certification. So for in AWS there are 4 levels. First is practitioner, cloud practitioner. Second level is AWS solution architect. Third level is professional, and fourth level is specialist. So we are going to learn we have designed the course in such a way that we have combined practitioner and solution architect, and we have given the name as AWS solution architect entry level. So what we are learning right now? Anyone? Solution architect, AWS solution architect entry level. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So international certification is basically for cloud. There are four levels, right? For first level, for practitioner level, you need to pay 10,000 for that certification, and you need to write the exam. If you clear the exam, then you will get the certificate. Similarly, for solution architect, you need to pay 12,000, and for professional, you need to pay around 15, and specialist, you need to pay around 18,000, like that, to write the exam and to get the certificate. If you clear the exam, you will get the certificate, international certificate. That means it works internationally, and the shelf life of that certificate will be 3 years. But in our institute, what we are providing? We are providing the course, and we are going to conduct the mock interviews. We are going to conduct the daily assessments and assignments. And at last, on the final exam, we are going to write an exam, institute's exam, but not international exam. See, know the difference. We are going to provide certificate of our institute, which will be a good remark in your resume. Is it clear, everyone, about certification? Our institute
Yes.
Yes.
certification is different, and international certification is different. In international certification, if you want to do, it's on you, it's your choice. If you want to do international certification, you need to pay for it, then you need to write the exam, then you will get certificate. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Any doubts on this?
No.
Okay, so this is how the certificate looks like. Now, what are we going to learn in our AWS subject? Do you all know what is Linux? Anyone? Do you all know what is
Um,
Linux?
No.
yes, it's like
Linux is an
Win
operating system,
operating system. Yes, operating system.
like Windows. So Windows is an operating system. Similarly, Linux is an operating system. So in AWS, in our subject, we are going to learn these modules. These are the modules which we are going to learn. And in this modules, first we are going to learn Linux commands. So to become a cloud engineer, you need to learn 10% of Linux. Just 10% of Linux. If it will be fine if you learn just 10% of Linux to become a cloud engineer. Is it clear why are we learning Linux here? Everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
Why?
Yeah.
Because to become a cloud engineer,
Yes.
Cloud engineer.
you need to know 10% of Linux. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So AWS provides 200 plus services. So in that, the 200 plus services are basically for, some services are for developers, some services are for cloud engineers, and some services are for business analytics team, some are for data analytics team, some are for programmers. So that 200 plus from that 200 plus services, we are going to learn 15 services. To become a cloud engineer, we just need to learn 15 services. That's it. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
How many services we are going to learn?
15, ma'am.
2000.
15
15.
services.
15. And how many services Amazon provides?
2200.
200 plus
200.
200
services.
Yes,
plus.
200 plus services. Out of that 200 plus services, to become a cloud engineer, we just need to learn 15 services. So we are going to learn that 15
ఒకసారి
services.
ఒకసారి చూడే దీంట్లో.
Sorry? Okay.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, no worries. Cloud Foundation is basically the history of AWS, how it started, when it started, who started AWS, and it's all about how cloud computing started. So the first module will be Linux, then the Cloud Foundation, then these are the services of AWS, which we are going to learn to become a cloud engineer. IAM service, EC2 service, VPC service, storage services, that are 3 services, RDS, Lambda, Cloud Formation, monitoring and login use audits, Route 53, and CloudFront. And they are Elastic Beanstalk and API Gateway. I have added these 2 services in this module, Elastic Beanstalk and API Gateway. Is it clear, everyone? What are we going to learn in our subject?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Any doubts?
Yes.
No.
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so this is all about our subject, AWS. In next class, we will be going into deep. We are going to start our first module, that is Cloud Foundation. So we will be going to start Cloud Foundation in our next class. Hope you all know the pattern of this program. Every alternate days you will be having the classes. If today it's AWS, then tomorrow which class it will be?
Python.
Python.
Yes, Python.
Python.
Then
Python.
day after tomorrow,
AWS.
Yes.
AWS. And Saturdays, every Saturdays, you will be having mock interviews, which will be taken by Muhammad Akbar sir. Sunday will be off. Is it clear, everyone, about the pattern of this program?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Alternate days, you
Okay.
will be having
Alhamdulillah,
AWS
clear.
and Python.
Yes.
Okay. And everyone have laptops here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Is there anyone who don't have laptop? Anyone who don't have laptop? Okay, that's great. Everyone have laptops here.
Yes.
Okay, so if at all you don't have laptop, you can go to institute, and we are providing 10 to 15 laptops there. So you can just go and practice, and you can come. Is it clear? If you don't have laptop, you can go to institute and attend class from there. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So, can I start with, do you want me to close this session? No, it's just 7:39, right? Okay. So, you all know the rules and regulations of AWS. I have texted in group. You need to be regular. First thing is you need to be regular. Second, you need to be punctual. You need to be sincere. You need to be responsive, because as this is a online sessions, So you need to respond to me. And if anything is unclear, then you need to interrupt me then and there. Then you need to ask the questions. And the last one is don't lift your pen until and unless you don't understand. Is it clear, everyone? Please feel free to ask questions. Don't hesitate. No one will judge you, as this is a AWS family. Now we are going to become a family. So don't hesitate. Feel free to talk. So in every session, in every AWS class, the first 20 minutes I will be taking question answer session. That's what we have done in a previous class. Why I'm taking this session 20 minutes question answer session? So that you can
To get
improve your communication skills. Is it clear, everyone?
yes.
Yes.
So I actually have a doubt here.
Okay,
So do
please
we have to
proceed.
attend both 10 a.m. and 7 p.m. classes, or
No,
only one is enough for a day?
one is enough for a day. 10
So
a.m.
same
as
will
well
be
as
repeated in
yes,
both.
same
Okay,
sessions.
understood.
It will be a same sessions. You can either attend 10 a.m. or 7 p.m.
Okay, so it's not mandatory if I'm joining 10 a.m. every day, I should join at 10 a.m.
If you have some work or something, then you can
Hmm.
join at 7 p.m. But before joining
Hmm.
in 7 p.m., you need to write the message in group.
Okay, that I'm unable to attend the
Yes.
10 a.m., so I'll be attending
So I'm
7.
attending at 7 p.m. So it will be very clear to me as well as you.
Okay, done. So today, as I'm unable to join in the morning, I've joined the night, but mostly
But
from
your
tomorrow, I'll be joining the 10 a.m.
okay, your preferable time is 10 a.m.
10 a.m. Yep.
Okay. Others, Suji, you also want to join in morning session, right?
Yes, ma'am. I want
Just
morning.
Hema and Suji. Others,
I will
We are
try
comfortable with
to
the
join
evening
late.
time.
what about Humaira?
Sometimes, sometimes I will try to join in morning, but comfortable in evening only.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So before starting our classes, we are going to learn some basic terminology which will be helpful in our further classes. So can I start just basic terminology which will be helpful in our further classes? Okay. Now, what is physical and virtual? Can anyone say what is difference between physical and virtual?
Physical means which we can what we can touch or
Yes.
we can see. Virtual means which is running behind the system.
Physical is which we can touch. What is virtual? It's
Which we
very
can
simple,
do it
which we cannot
online,
touch.
which we cannot touch.
Which we cannot touch. Now, laptop is physical or virtual?
Physical.
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 Yes.
Physical.
Printer is physical or virtual?
Physical.
Physical.
Okay.
Physical.
Zomato software application is physical or virtual?
Virtual.
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 Very
Virtual.
good. Very good. Every application is virtual. Now, internet is physical or virtual?
Virtual.
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 Right. Wi-Fi router is physical or virtual?
Physical.
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 Very good. Now, hope you all understood what is physical and what is virtual.
Yes.
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 Okay. Now, what is laptop? Anyone?
Physical.
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 Yes, physical. But why we use laptop?
Because it is portable.
To store the data.
Yes, to store the data or to do some work or to browse or to watch some movies or anything, right?
Yes.
Do you all know what laptop consists of?
CPU and
Yes,
operating systems.
what laptop consists of. So laptop consists of RAM,
Softwares, applications,
RAM,
storage.
CPU.
C,
CPU will not have.
CPU, RAM, CPU, and hard disk.
Hmm.
So it will be in your laptop physical devices, that is RAM, CPU, and hard disk. So now what is RAM?
Random access
Random
memory.
access memory.
Random access memory, and it is a temporary storage. It's a temporary storage. Now what is hard disk? Hard disk, it's a
Permanently stores.
permanent
Permanent
storage.
Memory.
storage.
What is CPU?
Central processing unit.
Yes. And it is known as brain of computers, right?
Yes.
We have learned this in schools that CPU is known as brain of computer.
Yep.
Okay. So for example here, I'm opening my MS Paint. This is my MS Paint. I'm storing some data here. I'm drawing something here. So in back end, it will be stored in RAM. That is a temporary storage. So I'm drawing here. So in back end, it will be stored in RAM.
Yeah.
But if I save this drawing, if I save this paint, then it will be stored in hard disk,
Hard disk.
because
Yes.
hard disk is a permanent storage and RAM is a temporary storage, right? If suddenly I
Yes.
haven't saved this, I was doing some work here, I have not saved this, my laptop suddenly has shut down. So do it will be saved in hard disk or RAM?
RAM.
RAM.
Why? Because it's a
Tem-
temporary
temporary
storage.
storage.
Until and unless we don't save, it will be in RAM. If we save, it will be in hard disk. That is a permanent storage. Understood the difference between RAM, hard disk, and CPU?
Yes.
Yes,
CPU
ma'am.
will analyze the request. Here I'm going to files. Then I'm going to save. This will be analyzed by CPU. That's it. So here I'm going from very basic. So that's why I have showing you what is laptop. Laptop consists of RAM, CPU, and hard disk. Hope you all understood what is physical and virtual.
Yes.
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 Okay. Hope you all understood what is RAM, CPU, and hard disk.
Yes.
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 Okay. So now you need to understand laptop. Okay. Is designed. Laptop is designed for single user, right?
Yes.
Designed for single user. And what is the cost and the price of the laptop? 40K to 1 lakh, right?
Yes.
So laptop is designed for single users and the cost of the laptop will be 40,000 to 1 lakh. So now you need to understand what is server. Have you all heard about servers? When you
Yes.
check the result, you will be seeing server is down something, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So what are that servers? So basically, server is the combination of RAM, CPU, and hard disk, but in a large scale. Combination of RAM, CPU, and hard disk in a large scale. And it is designed for multiple users. That means thousands of people can hit to this server at once. It is designed for multiple users. And what is the cost of servers? Starting cost is 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs. 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs. Know the difference between your laptop and server, because we are going to use this terminology in our further classes. That's why I'm showing this to you. What is the difference between laptop and server? Anyone?
Laptop is a single
Laptop
user.
Yes.
designed
It
for
is
the
designed
single
for single
user.
user, whereas server is designed for multiple users.
Yes. And even laptop is a combination of RAM, CPU, and hard disk, but in a
Yes.
small scale. Like your hard disk will be 16 GB and your RAM will be 8 GB. But here in servers, it will be in TBs or PBs. RAM will be in TBs and hard disk will be in PBs. Got the difference? And the price will be,
Yes.
laptop's price will be 40,000 to 1 lakh, and servers will be 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs or 6 lakhs. Hope you all understood what is server, what is laptop consist of,
Yes.
and what is physical and what is virtual. Right?
Yes.
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 Any doubts?
No,
No.
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 What is operating system? What is operating system? It's an interface between user and computer, because computer does not understand human language. That's why we install operating system in our laptop, so that it understands our human language. So it's basically an interface between human and computer. Why? Because computer does not understand human language. That's why we install operating systems in our laptops. For example, this is a laptop. Assume that this is a laptop. The first thing will be in laptop will be your hard disk, right? Without a hard disk, your laptop cannot operate. For example, if a robber wants to steal your data, will he steal your laptop or hard disk?
Hard disk.
Yes,
Disk.
because it's a permanent storage, and every data, all data will be stored in hard disk. So in laptop, without hard disk, you cannot operate laptop. So the first thing will be hard disk. On hard disk, we are going to install operating system. This is the hard disk. First thing will be hard disk. The second will be operating system. Why we are installing operating system?
So that it acts as an interface between human and
Yes.
the system.
Yes. So currently, which operating system we are using, everyone?
Linux.
Windows.
No, we are using Windows
Oh,
operating system,
Windows.
right? So on operating system, we will be installing applications. These are the applications. See, this is my laptop. In the laptop, I have installed my operating system, that is Windows. Onto Windows, I have installed these applications. Can you see these applications?
Yes.
Where I have installed these applications? On operating system. That means everything is interrelated to each other. Without operating system, we cannot install applications, and without hard disk, we cannot install operating systems. Right?
Yes.
Hope it's clear
Yeah.
now.
Yes.
Yes.
Clear, everyone? Any doubts?
No.
Any doubts? Please
No.
write this.
No,
The
it's clear.
difference between physical and virtual, difference between laptop and server, and what is operating system.
Explain operating system again.
Okay, so operating system is basically, it acts as an interface between human and computer. So normally computers understand 0 and 1 language, 0 1 numbers, that's it. They don't understand our English. They don't understand this. So they only understand 0 and 1. So why we are installing operating systems? If we install operating system, it acts as a interface between human and computer, so that computer can understand human language through operating system. Is it clear, Humaira?
Yes, yes,
Sure.
yes.
Okay, any doubts?
No.
Any doubts?
No, no, it's clear.
Okay, so this is a basic terminology
Can you
which
scroll
will
that
be
a little bit? I just wanted to see the first things we discussed.
this.
Yeah, totally. Yeah, one more. Can you
Hope
scroll
you
down
all.
a little?
Okay.
Little more down. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have you all written this? Hope you all wrote this. Notes? Yes? Yes or
Yes,
no?
yes.
Yes, yes,
I
ma'am.
just took
Yes.
pictures as of now. I'll write it down after some
So,
time.
okay. Okay, so this is all about today. So from tomorrow, we are from in next class, we are going to start our cloud foundation. That means we are going to start our AWS subject, the history of AWS, how it started, when it started, who started it. So for now, uh, any doubts, anyone regarding AWS or regarding the program, AWS and Python program? Any doubts?
No.
No.
No, no.
Are you sure?
This is how many days program?
This is 45 days program excluding offs, week off.
Okay.
We will
So
be
week
going
offs
to,
when it will be Saturday, Sunday, yeah?
no, just Sunday. Saturday will be mock interviews, like what you have done in the whole week, AWS and
Okay.
Python, what you have learned. The mock interviews will be on Saturday which will be taken by Mohammad Akbar sir.
Okay.
In
So
online or
actually,
offline?
Sorry,
Mock interview is online or offline, ma'am?
offline will be better. You need to come offline. Online also we can take,
Okay.
but offline will be recommended.
Okay.
Is it clear, everyone?
yes.
Any
Actually,
doubts
I missed
regarding
yesterday's class. Will we get the notes?
yesterday? Was Python class, so you can ask
Mm,
Python ma'am.
okay,
Did
done.
you attend yesterday's class, Hema?
Yeah, I did not attend. That's why I'm asking.
Okay. No worries. Tomorrow you can attend. It was just an opening session yesterday also, just introductions and all.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
From tomorrow, the main class will be starting Python and AWS.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Thank you, Hema. Thank you, everyone. Can I close this session? It was wonderful meeting you all. You were very responsive. As this is an online classes, so you need to be responsive.
Yes, yes, it was very
Yes, ma'am.
interactive.
Yeah, it was really
Yes,
nice.
yes,
Thank
very
you.
good.
Yes, thank you, everyone. Nice to meet you all virtually.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
You
So
are
can I
welcome.
close this session now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for explaining us. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Thank
you.
So
Thank you, ma'am.
after this session, I'm going to keep the small polling of attendance. So please uh,
Yes.
try to attend that. The small polling of
Sure.
Okay.
attendance.
Sure.
Everyone, please.
Yep.
Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Okay,
thank
sure,
Sure,
you,
sure.
ma'am.
everyone. When will be our next
Thank
class
you.
of
Bye.
Thank you.
AWS?
Day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow.
Day
Day
after
after tomorrow.
tomorrow. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Nice meeting you all. Bye bye. Take care.
Yeah,
Thank you.
same here.
Thank you.